Shift the focus trick. In this, attention of the audience shifted on the current bullet point and the previous bullet point changes the color. What you have to do, you have to select all the text and click on white. Effect option you have to select from the left, and each bullet point start with the click. So you have to select on click. Then in the slideshow we'll see how it's look. In each click, a bullet point will be appear. For the add animation, what we have to do, we have to click on animation pan, then from drop down select effect option, in effect option what you have to do, in effect select after animation, and after animation you can see the more color are there. Once the animation is over, the previous text changes its color to the after animation. So we will select and see how it's look once the animation is over. We see in the slideshow how it looks. Once you click, you can see the color of the previous, it changes once the animation is over. Zoom the point trick. In this, zoom the current point and the previous point is a dim. What you have to do, you have to first select all the text and click on animation. In animation, you have to click the grow and shrink. Grow to 150 plus point, and in start you have to select on click. Duration should be 0.50 seconds. Click on animation pan, click on add animation, and again click on grow and shrink. Now what you have to do, you have to click in start with previous. Duration should be 0.50 seconds. You have to select all the animations and click on drop down. Click on effect option, and the current size of the font size is 150%. We have to change it to 80%. When it go back to the normal, it will shrink to 80%. Right? You can see it shrink to 80%. Now what I have to do, you have to move the animation to the below the second animation, and second animation is below to third animation, and third animation is in place. The fourth animation will not required, so we will delete or remove the fourth animation. Now we'll see in a slideshow how it looks. Once we can see the first point is come forward and previous point back to previous place. Play in reverse order trick. It's help in countdown situation when you have to highlight the first point in last. What I have to do, the entire text box, then click on animation. In animation, click on wipe. Effect option should be from left, and go to click on animation pan, click on drop down, click on effect option, click on text animation. In text animation, in a group text, we have to select by first level paragraph. Then click on in reverse order and click on OK. You can see. Now we'll see in a slideshow how it's look. And from the beginning, we'll see for the first click, the last bullet point will appear. The next is to stop all the animations trick. If you want to stop the animation from your slideshow, you can see in the slideshow there is animation. If you want to remove the animation from the current animation slide, what you have to do, you have to click in setup slideshow. In a slideshow, you have to click on show without any animation. Then click on OK. You can see in the slideshow there is no animation. In most of the cases, when there are more than 40 slides and you have animation, you cannot remove one by one.
Like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Thank you for watching.